So after agriculture, what are the economic resources of this country? It is the world's largest producer of industrial diamond and cobalt. Diamond and cobalt is the main mineral resources of this country. और ये वर्ल्ड का, पूरा दुनिया का सबसे ज़्यादा डायमंड और कोबाल्ट जेरी में पाया जाता है. Beside that, इसके अलावा it is also rich in minerals like copper, tin, gold, zinc and uranium. डायमंड और कोबाल्ट के अलावा क्या क्या पाया जाता है? कॉपर, टीन, गोल्ड, रेडियम, जिंक एंड यूरेनियम are also found in this country. Next is industries. What type of industries do Zeri have? What type of industries do Zeri have? किस टाइप का इंडस्ट्री है यहाँ पे? In Democratic Republic of Congo, the industries are not developed. So industries बहुत ज़्यादा developed नहीं है in this country, in this part of African country. Industries are not very well developed. There are only a few industries located in the major cities like Kinshasa, Lubumbashi, Matadi and Libaji. तो चार एक बड़ा बड़ा शहर है जहाँ पे कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज लोकेटेड है. इसके अलावा बहुत सारा इंडस्ट्रीज और बहुत सारा प्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे नहीं होता है. सो सम इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक सीमेंट का, सिगरेट, बिवरेजेस, केमिकल्स एंड फूड प्रोसेसिंग आर सम इम्पोर्टेंट इंडस्ट्रीज ऑफ दिस कंट्री. सिर्फ 3-4 आइटम ही यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है इन Zeri. So these are the mineral resources which are found in this country. Next, the life of the people of this area of African country. What is the lifestyle of the people? यहाँ का आदमी का लाइफ स्टाइल कैसा है? As the country is mostly covered with rainforest, the population is mostly scattered in small pockets of villages. Most of the villages people are Muslims. On account of hot and humid climate, the people generally do not wear many clothes. They wear light colored cloth. So जैसे हम लोग क्लाइमेट के बारे में पढ़े हैं, Zeri has a very hot and wet type of climate. So people of this area, this part of African country, they do not wear they do not cover their whole body. They wear light colored clothes to keep themselves cool from the hot and humid weather. The people are quite tall and hefty. और यहाँ का जो आदमी होते हैं, people होते हैं, they are very tall. वो लोग साइज में लंबा होते हैं. They are very tall and they have a dark complexion with short and curly hair and the color. Mostly the people of this part, they have dark color. Dark color. गोरा बहुत कम होते हैं, वहाँ के लोग काला बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं because of hot type of climate. They are fond of music and dance and their interested are in music and dance में यहाँ के people रुचि रखते हैं. They are very interested in music and dance. Now what are the important languages this area, this part of African country have? French, English and Bantu are the main languages spoken by the people of this country. French, English and Bantu. French, English and Bantu. These three languages are mostly spoken by the people of this part of African country. And फ्रेंच इज देयर ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज. और इन तीनों लैंग्वेजेस में से फ्रेंच जो है वो उसका ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज है.